welcome to Rickesh's Creations. Let's talk. Yes, so don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for new notifications. Yes. How's everyone doing? Happy 2023. Yes. Let's just soak it all up. Let's just soak it all up. Yes, yes, yes. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Love, light, energy to everyone. Thank you, new subscribers, and thank you to my loyals, okay, that has been with me since day one, my numero unos. Thank you all for the love and the support. I'm just so blessed, okay? It is a blessing to be a blessing. But however, I want to jump into something really quick. Let me give you a little bit of updates. So I do have where you can leave your questions in the comment. Hey everybody, just know that this is a safe zone. There is no judgment over here. However, we're going to always do things with love, positivity. Okay, so without further ado, if you would like for me to shout you out when I address your question, let me know and I will shout you out in my next video. All right, so if not, it's okay. Don't worry. Some of us feel a little bit shy. It's all right. Just continue to be anonymous. Send it through email. Send me whatever you need, okay? And let's get these questions addressed. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with the question of the day. All right, you guys. So, this is a new year, right? And a lot of us are leaving behind some old things. So with that being said, the next question of the day is going to be bomb. So let's get started. All right. So the question of today is how to repair my spirit. How to repair your spirit. All right. Well, let's get started. Let's talk. All right, you guys. So repairing the spirit. It is doable. It is most definitely doable. However, it is not for the weak. I'll tell you that. You have to have some type of dedication to this journey. It's not a quick fix. It is not microwavable. Let me keep it real with you. This is a full-time 24/7 job. But it's a worth it job because you're working on you, right? We're working on ourselves. We're trying to get ourselves at a better place within ourselves. Why? So we can live abundantly. Abundantly, you guys. I don't know about you, but I most definitely am trying to live abundantly, okay? All this work ain't for nothing. So there are ways to repair your spirit. One is awareness. Awareness that you may need to repair it. That is like an awakening that's happened from within. Like, we'll go more on awakenings next. Like, I most definitely want to talk about that with you guys soon. But we're going to stick with the subject, like how to repair your spirit. Give yourself a hug. Give yourself a hug. Give yourself a hug, okay? I want you to start being more mindful of things. That's another thing. Like, repairing your spirit is really, really hard work. It takes dedication, as I said already, and I can't say it enough. Dedication is key. Let me give you some little tips, okay? I'm gonna give you some of my intuitive opinions, and then I may give you some of my experiences, okay? Just to help you get an idea. So, when it comes to trying to repair your spirit, awareness is always foremost. And for those who don't know what your spirit is, your spirit sits and dwells inside of you, inside of your person, inside of your bodies. Like, think about this. When a baby enters this world, already breathing in as the baby comes from the womb, right? It takes its first breath. But as we leave and we transition to the other realm, when we leave the earth, when we leave the physical planes, right? When we leave this body, we exhale. We breathe out. So that part that breathes, just imagine that for a moment. Breathing in, the baby is born. Breathing out, we're transitioning. So with that being said, when you think about those in between things, and I can go further into detail, but I'm going to keep it simple for now. You have to think about the fact, what is that's being released? Like, we're leaving here our physical bodies, of course. And that's how we mirror and look at each other. But the spirit, that's deep. That's deep. Like, that's beyond this universe. Like, it is beyond. It is beyond. So, and that's where we come from. We come here for the experiences, and then we part ways when our, when when our mission is accomplished. And to some people that may not seem like, hold on, that don't make sense. I mean, some people, leave the world too soon. Yes, you can look at it that way. And that's okay. That's with the human eye. But when you go deep within the spirit, when you're working on that spirit, you start to find this somewhat inner peace. Sometimes it happens sooner than later for most, but however, when I think on the subject of spirit, I'm sorry, because sometimes I like to go, and I'm not sorry, but I like to go into like myself, because I do dwell in my in my inner self a lot. So with that being said, like, there are some ways, if you haven't felt that connection to your spirit, wait for it, because it's coming. You're tuned into my channel for a reason. And the more you keep tuning in, the more you're going to grow, the more you're going to stretch, and the more you're going to blossom. The more you're going to heal your spirit, repairing your spirit, getting your spirit ready for the next thing. You can't go forward without fixing the present. When I mean in the present, you meaning that you need to be present to be able to see what's going on around you and to even know whether it's you that needs the work, not someone else. So I want to say start journaling. If you haven't, I can never say that enough. Journaling always helps. Breathing exercises help. Sitting alone, sitting in solitude, sometimes sitting within yourself, right? Because sometimes we have to repair some things. Like, a lot of us have dealt with some traumas. We have dealt with day-to-day life things. We have dealt with negativity, whether it's outside of us or within us. But I want you to stay encouraged. Stay encouraged on this journey. Like, feed yourself positivity. Like, I want to say be around those people who are working on themselves. Now, when I say be around those who are working on themselves, do not be a leech. Do not be an energy vampire drainer. That's not cool. But be genuine. Be genuine because you are genuine. Like, people, we're so worried about pleasing other people, right? And looking a certain way to other people. And no, it's not that type of world that we're trying to evolve. We're trying to grow. We're trying to be the best version of ourselves. So with that being said, awareness is one, to repairing the spirit. Journaling, repairing the spirit. Having self-talks with self is repairing. Forgiving ourselves. And also, too, forgiving others, y'all. Forgive yourself, forgive others. I can't stress that enough. I really can't stress that enough. Because that is a big part of your, your levels of becoming close to God. For the spiritual people, for the people that's non-spiritual. However, we all want to get to a better place within ourselves, right? So we all agree upon that, right? We may not all agree upon every single thing, religious-wise or thought-wise or tradition-wise or new tradition-wise or new age or new world, whatever you want to call it. However, we all have one thing in common. We are spirits. What? Here having human experiences. Yeah. You can cover your eyes if you want to. You got to remove the mask. You got to remove, those things that you feel like you have grown. And only you know what those are. So I want to say, do some things that you haven't done before. Like, if there was something that you wanted to do as a child and you kind of, put it to the side, and then our inner child is still within us, right? We have maybe grown up a little bit on the outside, right? But on the inside, that little child, that teenager, that little person that's part of you that you left behind is still like, it's still just right there waiting like, okay, when you going to come help me? Some of y'all not realizing you in battle with yourself. You in battle with you. Well, you think it's someone else you in battle with, but you in battle with you. And it's okay. It's okay when you become aware and try to do something about it, but it's not okay when you're not doing anything about it but being a victim. I'm so sorry to say that, but I'm not sorry. So with that being said, come on, you guys. Like, let's put pedal to the metal. I know that sounds old school, but I am an 80s baby, so some of my words is not going to be always up to date. But however, I'm being me. That's the thing. I am being me. Me. I want you all to be you. Love yourself. Do some mirror work. Read your Bible. Read a good book. Read some positivity. Start doing more activities with yourself. Yeah, it's okay. Like, sometimes we think we need to always be around people, and sometimes we need solitude. And that's okay, because this journey of self-work and self-love and self-discovery, it is a journey that is only for you. It is a one-man journey. Well, of course, you have God. You have those who are with you that you remember, that keeps you close and keep you feeling connected. Hey, get to know you better. Heal your spirit. Repair your spirit. Become woke. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. You can do it. I'm just saying. Really turn it into something positive for yourself. You know, go within. Ask yourself some questions. What do I need to work on? What is it that I need to release from myself? And when I mean release from your thoughts. Like, because most of the things that's in your head is just constantly replaying because it's a pattern. Our brain is like a computer. And it's always recording. The subconscious mind always remembers everything. But the conscious mind is always awake. It's always trying to figure out things. It's always trying to figure out how to do things outside of itself. Stop searching outside of yourself and go within. Go within you. Go within you. Let that be your guide. Let God lead you. Let God be your light. Let whatever inspires you to be your light. But let's repair our spirits, y'all. Like, let's get it together this lifetime. We may have be here many more lifetimes. However, let's focus on this one. And that's all I'm going to give you for now. And if you have more questions, don't forget to leave it in the comment. And we'll be back next time. Bye.